Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Fashion Fridays, where food and good vibes is an absolute must. On today's menu, we have jerk shrimp lettuce wrap. Here are our lovely ingredients. Nice jerk seasoning, love it. It make everything taste extra better. And of course, romaine lettuce. I think it's the yummiest. Oh, let's start with our good, nice, clean, pretty little shrimps. These shrimps are already partially cooked. I washed them too, so we're gonna just spice them up with a little bit, I'm a good jerk seasoning. So add some salt and this niceness here. Stir them up. Make sure every piece of shrimp, we leave no one behind. Everybody gets some. Yeah? So we are going to work on with cabbage now. So because shrimp lettuce wrap by itself, it's very lightweight. And honestly, it's not so filling. Right? So I'm going to add this purple cabbage. And it pretty up your dish too. It tastes nice too, not just for prettiness. If I just for prettiness and it not taste good, it can't in my plate. Cause my food must taste good. So, we are gonna use up the cabbage so the wrap can carry weight and bring a little more enoughness, a little more nuffins to the belly, basically. So don't cut them too big, but at the same time, you don't want to cut them too small. So just right. Because remember, lettuce, you put it pan, and if you cut it too big, then it just like a weigh down the lettuce and you can't really put too much pan it. Unless you don't really care and you just dash something pan the plate. If you just dash it in your belly. But yeah, presentation is key as well too. So I could start the cooking, span the cabbage. A little bit of oil. Put in one nice up. Add some dried thyme, which I really love. And add some pimento powder. We'll start dashing with pretty cabbage. And then we're going to cover her down for about 2 minutes or so. Make sure do a little bit of simmering. And see her here after 2 minutes. Now, one thing when I realize with the purple cabbage is that it not cook as fast as the other one to me. But that's still fine. Just stir it up. We're gonna add some salt. and some of our regular all-purpose seasoning. Because even though a cabbage, we want it for taste sell off. You know, we want fling in flavor and make sure so when we eat it, it tastes good. It not just so blast, so not because you know a vegetable and whatever. It still need to taste good. So yeah, fix it up, nice it up. So we're gonna cook our shrimp, which this really and truly is not much work because the shrimp basically already cooked for most part. So what I'm going to do here, only not have to do it, it's not necessary, right? So I split the shrimp in two. And the first set, I kind of want it to have like a little smoke flavor, brown and have like a smoke flavor, like, you know, so the jerk really come through. So I have the fire pan high, turn it up, you know, to the highest setting, and then leave them and make it a dry out so it can get the smoke flavor. You don't have to do that, you can skip it. So just do everything like the second batch, if that's okay. But me still just want to show you everything what I do. Even though it kind of look weird and like the pata bun up and thing, but you know. So yeah, take them out. So see how the pot look burn and something? Yeah, that really did add to it. So yeah, so add the rest of the shrimp to the pot. So when you see that, what the shrimp do with the whole heap of juice them a come out and thing. So that's what I didn't want for everything. So if me did add and think about it, if me did even add the rest of the shrimp, it would even have more juices, which is fine because I want the juice. Because I'm going to see what I'm going to do with the juice afterwards. But yeah, I just never want that. And just like that, the shrimp done cook. And here is our beautiful cabbage. Okay, so the niceness, so see it here now, see the nice juice that you come from the shrimp, see it here, add it to the cabbage. May I tell you, say, flavor galore, mix up everything and I weed that. Nice scan done. Stir them up. Look there. All if you don't like veggies, may I tell you get a taste of this, you change. So yeah, so everything finished and I'm going to construct just one of the wrap on here so you guys can see, because normally you know I just go to the finished product and show you when I set it up, but me I go just do one pan here and make you see. So I have my lettuce, we wash and clean and nice, and we add some of the cabbage. As I say, enough for nice up on the belly, for make on the belly feel like little something going there. Cause trust me, just lettuce and shrimp and maybe little avocado or something. Because guess what, guys, you don't have to do the cabbage. You know, you can add other things to your lettuce wrap. So you can put some avocado in there if you want. You know, avocado with the shrimp and the lettuce. But for me, Miss Bellias, I want more than that in my belly. So I'm going to do the nice cabbage and see it there. So I'm put it together there. And that's it. And nice people, see the finished product here. Come one, come all, come take in the liquor treat. See it here. And listen, I know just about looks, you know, me I tell you, say the taste sell off. It tastes so good. So good. I really can't even explain the niceness with it on the plate. Trust me, it tastes good. So you guys need to try it. Try it. All if you not really eat, trust me, just try it. All if you not really like them something here, just try it. So thanks so much for watching and spending some time with me. It's greatly appreciated. Trust me, I appreciate it. Do me a beg on do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you, little heart. Thanks for watching.